Okay, are you ready for more bang for your buck? You'll notice I have my left eye already completed using 4 items. I've used a beautiful eye pigment, which is a nice soft brown taupey color. I have used a daring pigment, which is kind of a coppery, shimmery color. Sexy pigment, which is the highlight. And I have used our Moodstruck Precision Pencil, and the color on this is Prim. So I'm just going to show you real quick the Everyday Women Smoky Eye. It's not so smoky, so that makes it good for everyday use and for people of all ages. So I'm just going to line my eye real quick, and I say that, but I don't do it every day because some days I just don't feel like it. Therefore, I'm super slow. Now with the brown, it's more of a neutral color, so it's not as in your face, which means it's great for young people that are learning how to do their eyes. Once I do line my eyes, I'm going to use some of the beautiful pigment. Doesn't take a lot. And I'm just going to cover my eye. Now I know normally you're supposed to dab these on, so that way you don't have pigments falling into your onto your cheek. But for me, I just tap it off in the lid, and I don't worry about it. And I applied that using our Deluxe brush. Using the crease brush, which you'll notice is a stronger hair, I'm going to use just a little bit of the Daring in my crease. Now it's going to come on looking quite dark, and that's okay because you're going to blend everything together anyways. So there you see that. And it doesn't look anywhere near on the other eye. This one looks so much darker. I just haven't blended. Taking my Deluxe brush again, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Sexy on my brow bone. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my liner shader brush here using the soft shade in, and I'm just going to blend it all together. I'm going to kind of blend down, and I'm going to blend up into the highlight so that it gives a nice even appearance. Just because I know that some people don't like the mascara, the 3D Fiber Lash, I'm just going to use my everyday mascara here for you. And this one I'm going to kind of look sideways here. And I totally made a mess on my eye, which is okay, because as soon as it dries, you can brush that off easily using our lash brush, or excuse me, lash comb and brow brush. And what I do is I just use the bristles and buff over it. Now here's the part that kind of freaks people out, because we're focusing on the pencil piece today. So you know I used Prim, which is this beautiful brown, on my eyes. I'm going to take a little alcohol water spray here, just spray it off, just like they do in the fancy high-end stores where you get to go try everything on. And I'm just going to wipe that off. I'm going to use the same brown to do my lips. Lips are the hardest for me because, just like your eyes, your brows, your ears, your nose, your lips are asymmetrical on your face. So you kind of want to try to draw them so they look alike. And I always end up failing. So it takes me a minute. I'm just going to do a basic cover, fill it in just a tad. Then I'm going to switch over to another pencil. This is my Pristine, this is a white pencil. A lot of times I'll use this to line my waterline, just to give my eyes an appearance that they're bigger, more awake. But today I'm going to use it just in the center of my lip as a highlighter. And I'm going to take one of my favorite lip glosses. This is our decorative lip gloss. This is called Luscious. It looks like a really dark red brown. It's not. It can be. Blend that in just a bit. Voila. Eyes and lips, same pencil.